simple hand-tied bouquet. I've got roses. Here's the key. You're going to cross back and forth. I've got pink rose. See that? There's the secret to life. Crossing. Clean these stems off before you begin. Crossing. Crossing. Switching hands. Adding a big red peony for drama. Adding another red peony for more drama. How about some hypericum berries? Crossing. Crossing. Every once in a while you play with them. Make sure they're all up right on that horizon to form that dome. And then I continue. And I continue. Crossing them through my hands. Switching hands. That's where we're at so far. Across this hand. So it's kind of like a puzzle. You look and see where you need, for example, you can see where I need another berry to balance it out, right over here. And then another one right over here. And then, how about a little filler, some wax flower. Wax flower. Switching hands. And cross, and cross. And wax flower. And roses. And and more roses. And tweak it, fix it, adjust it wherever it needs to be. And more roses. And more roses. And more pretty. I love wax flower. I would put it in everything if I could. It's beautiful. It makes everything pretty. Look again, switching hands. The secret is that nice, round, very even, so you're always adjusting, pulling up, pushing down. Just squeeze it by the head, give it a little shove in. You want a nice solid ball. I'm going to put about 5 to 10 more in. This could be for a wedding, of course. A spring wedding, color, why not? And one more there. See how I crisscross these? And a little bit of adjusting. I'm going to tie it up. And there is your hand tie lesson for today. FlowerSchool101.com. Join us in class. You too can learn how to do this in a day.